Greetings to you all in the name of Almighty God. I am Jacob Raj coming up with ICS01 subject, that is Principles and Practice of Insurance and Survey and Loss Assessment. In this video, I am going to explain the first chapter in the ICS01, that is Risk and Theory of Probability. Those who are seeing for the first time, kindly subscribe our channel Insurance Exams Hub for more useful videos. The first concept in ICS01 is the risk. In this video, we are going to see the concept risk. What is the concept of a risk? To an ordinary man who is going in the street, the terms risk refers to exposure to danger. Here you are seeing a person is going in the bike. Unexpectedly, a stray animal started barking. So, it is an unexpected event to this person. Here in the second video, in the second image, we are seeing a workman who is standing, but he didn't notice that a barrel is falling on him. This is also a exposure to danger. As per the dictionary, the risk is defined as a hazard, chance of bad consequences, exposure to mischance, etc. So, in general, the risk is an exposure to a danger. As per the concept of insurance, risk is the exposure to events which cannot be predicted with absolute certainty, which is thought of a risk. To understand clearly, here I am showing an image. In this, these two people we are seeing here, one, a woman is opening a door of a car. Unexpectedly, a man is coming in a bicycle and hit at the opened door. These both events happened here is not predicted absolutely. So the woman who is opening the door has not predicted that a person is coming from the behind, and the person who is coming in a bicycle is also not noticed, or he is not predicted that the woman is going to open the door. So based on this, the concept of risk is the exposure to events which cannot be predicted. So what is the risk? Based on the insurance concept, the risk may be defined as future uncertainty as regards financial loss. So we cannot, or we are not able to predict the future, or how will be the future, and which regards a financial loss, or which creates the financial loss. Here we can see a person with a question mark, that he is not able to predict his future or the loss which is leading to a financial loss. So this is the concept of risk. In next video, I'm going to explain the types of risks, how to minimize the risk, and in next video we can clearly come to know the concept of risk, or clearly we can understand the concept of risk. So those who like the video, please click on the like, please share it with others, and subscribe without fail and click on the bell icon to get the notifications of new videos. Please subscribe our Insurance Exams Hub YouTube channel for more useful videos on insurance exams. Surely in coming videos, I'm going to clearly explain the concepts of all the topics related to ICS 01 and different topics. So keep watching our channel. Thank you for watching. If you have any doubts or if you want to send the feedbacks, please send your feedbacks to insuranceexamshub@gmail.com. Thank you for watching. Thank you for your sparing your time. Thank you.